These are 16 cool gadgets you need to see from around the web. Number 16. Skydio 2 Plus. You can map out the routes that the Skydio 2 Plus will take using a technology called Keyframe. You can specify intricate camera movements and then pick the speed at which the drone will follow these paths. Number 15. Ekster Parliament Smart Wallet. The RFID-coated Ekster Parliament is a smart bifold wallet with a button-activated mechanism that ejects cards from its aluminium storage pocket to prevent identity theft. It has a strap for carrying cash and receipts and at least 10 card slots. Number 4. Zensalabs Quick Keys. Check out these cool PC accessories for an improved gaming experience. You can connect it to your computer wirelessly or via USB to provide a full set of 40 customizable shortcut keys. No matter what OS you use, this thing is fully compatible. Brush size and other settings are easily adjusted with a large backlit dial. Number 13. Nixie Time Zone Clock V2. This Nixie tube clock will definitely appeal to retro tech fans. This uses genuine 1960s Nixie tubes made by hand. Additionally, the clock features brass and steel components, displays 5 different time zones in sequence from London to New York to Dubai to Geneva and Taipei. Number 12. 50 BMG Brain Teaser Puzzle. It consists of 6 interlocking round-shaped sections. Although it is fairly simple to disassemble, it will take some time to put everything back together. Number 11. Nixie Machine. Frank Buchwald for the MAD Galley. Designed by Frank Buchwald, a famous German artist, aside from being completely made of brass and steel, it also functions as an alarm device. Number 10. Beeline Velo 2. This minuscule circular device fastens to your bicycle and provides you with simple, minimal navigational instructions derived from tracking actual journeys. You can also check the time, distance, speed, and arrival time. Number 9. Kodak Luma 150 Pocket Projector. This portable projector is small enough to fit in a briefcase for work presentations, or in a backpack for watching movies, or enlarging your gaming experience while traveling, and promises to deliver bright, vivid images up to 150 inches wide. With surround sound speakers and a headphone jack, it has a battery life of up to 2.5 hours and can be recharged via mini USB. Number 8. Space Rocket by Magnet Driver. This screwdriver is unique in every way. The legend of Apollo 11 inspired the design. Using the magnetic tips, you don't have to hold the screw with your hand. An organizer mat keeps your bits organized, plus there are over 20 replaceable bits. Number 7. Wacom Express Key Remote. Another wireless remote works with graphic tablets and displays. The 17 buttons are fully programmable. The battery lasts up to 160 hours despite its compact size. You can pair up to 5 remotes and use them simultaneously if one isn't enough. Number 6. The Pill Bugs. This fidget spinner is worth checking out even if you've had a lot of them before. With 6 tungsten steel bearings and 6 outer shells, it has an extremely complex mechanism. As you spin, the shells open up like transformers. It sounds just as good as it looks. Number 5. Logitech G13 Game Board. The package includes a powerful game board with 25 programmable keys. A bunch of popular games are pre-installed right out of the box. This thing also has an LCD display that shows your game stats and messages from other players. After hours of playing, your hands won't hurt. Number 4. Lego App-Controlled Transformation Vehicle. With the app, you can move the car around, and if you flip it over or run it into a wall, a completely different car will appear below. You can even drive the Lego vehicle over varying ground conditions because it has suspension. Number 3. Bloom Homegrown Superfood the Smart Way. Get healthier with homegrown spirulina. Create a sustainable superfood garden right on your kitchen countertop. A few steps are all it takes. Add water, a nutrient tablet, and living spirulina. It automatically adjusts lighting and temperature over the next 5 days. The mobile app lets you know when it's ready. Number 2. Apple Watch Ultra. The device has an impressive 36-hour battery life, is water resistant up to 100 meters, can deal with extreme low and high temperatures, and has fitness and health tracking apps. Number 1. ThinkLab's One Digital Stethoscope. A sleek and tiny stethoscope with great functionality. It can amplify sounds over 100 times, so even through clothing you can hear blood pressure sounds. Additionally, you can adjust the volume and filter frequencies. In addition to its own high-quality earbuds, the stethoscope works with any headphones or external speakers. It comes with a USB charger, adapters, and a mobile kit that lets you connect it directly to your phone or tablet. You can play back, save, and share your recordings. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.